マか？
おうおうおう、狭い家じゃのう。
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。
Manga and anime are two interconnected mediums, expressing their stories through similar styles, but ultimately different methods. Anime are most often adaptations of pre-existing manga, tasked with converting static black and white images and blocks of text into colorful, moving sequences, accompanied by audio and dialogue.
のけ、刺身は全部わしのじゃ。
んだこれ、うまそう。
道に迷っちゃって。
コベちゃん、コベちゃん、こっちおいで。
これ君がやったの？
Chainsaw Man is a wildly popular manga series that recently saw the beginning of an anime adaptation. Fortunately, the manga itself is structured in such a way as to make the adaptation more consistent. The characters and art style are faithfully recreated, resulting in an almost direct translation between the two. Here you can see a few examples of how the manga panels are directly translated to animated scenes.
いつも見た。いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ。
落ちた。落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ。
Different visual techniques must be used in manga to portray movements with action, momentum, and direction. Sounds and effects are expressed in stylized words and letters. As a subtle visual cue in the manga, when revisiting old memories or dreams, the color behind the panels changes from white to black. Sometimes single or double-page panels are translated into entire scenes, following the direction in which the panels and dialogue are read. In only a few instances does the anime decide to exclude a scene for the sake of pacing. More often, scenes are extended or added to set the tone and provide context for the viewer. While manga and anime can portray the same narrative, they are still very different mediums, and each can offer a unique and rewarding experience.
過去最悪の態度だぞお前。